So today I'm going to show y'all how to stop this door from squeaking. Get a hammer and a screwdriver and pop these hinges out while the door's closed. Get a little white lithium grease, rub it all up and down this pin here. Not too much, don't want to get carried away, just a good little thin layer. Pop that back in. Hammer it down. Same thing with the other one. Slide it out. Grease this bad mamma jam up as well. Good little thin layer. Slide it back in. This will stop the door from squeaking and also make it swing a little more easy, a lot more smooth. Do that to the rest of the doors if you have any other squeaking doors or that are hard to open and close. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Enjoy your day.